up? It is Hannah here, and as you can probably see by my very grand entrance, I got a new chair, and I'm very excited about my new chair. It spins, and I'm probably going to stop spinning so I don't make you dizzy. Anyways, I have a very fun new video for you guys today. I'm going to be showing you how I do my fake acrylics, and you're probably like, Hannah, your nails look extremely crusty right now. Yes, that is correct. I actually filmed this video about, let's say about two weeks or so ago, and I'm just getting around to filming an intro and an exit for it because I'm a terrible YouTuber and I've been very busy. Anyways, going on to the actual topic of the video, these nails are great. They last about a week and a half, which I think is like optimal nail time, because after like a week and a half, 2 weeks, I want to start changing my nails again. Like I'm that type of person. Like I need to be constantly changing something, and nails are the easiest to do. I think by far the best part about these nails is that I literally got the entire 200 pack of fake nails at Walmart for $5.50, okay? I'm not gonna do the math. I mean, I guess that kind of makes sense to say you get like 20 full sets, but obviously you don't use all of the nails, but still, that's like a solid 10 to 15 sets of nails for $5.50. Okay, you cannot beat that. You absolutely cannot. I think it's great. I think they look so natural, which is another good thing. Like they don't have that very thick kind of like fake acrylic look to them. Like I can get them to look very flush with my natural like cuticle line, which I think is great because I just like the look of natural. And also I know they have a bunch of different shapes available, but I personally just have a short oval shape. I like that the best for me. I don't like them too long because I'm like constantly like doing stuff with my hands. Like kudos to any girl that can have like those 2-inch long nails. Cannot do that. Not practical. Maybe for like a special event, totally down, but not for every day. So I think these are great everyday nails, so budget friendly for anyone who wants to look, you know, bougie on a budget. That's me. I'm the brokest person ever. Okay, well, I'm starting to ramble now and making really weird hand gestures. Sorry about that. Let's just get right into the tutorial. Okay, so what you're gonna need first off is a pack of nails. Like I said, I got mine from Walmart. They're the Kiss brand, and it's a pack of 200, which is awesome, and it comes with glue. You're also gonna need a file, and then whatever nail polish you want. Mine is by OPI, and I mentioned the actual name of it later on. And then just a basic top coat. I think mine's from CVS. Now it's totally not necessary, but I went in beforehand and I quickly pushed back and trimmed my cuticles, and I also filed my nails down. You are then going to take your file and just very gently rough up the surface of your nail. This is going to kind of help give the glue something to attach to, which in the end is going to help your nails last a lot longer. And once you are done, they should look a little something like this. Afterwards, I took a wet cotton pad and just quickly wiped them down to get rid of the dust, or you could just quickly go wash them if you want. The next step is to just fit all of your fake nails to your natural nails. You're going to want to try to find one that fits both of the sides perfectly and has none of your natural nails sticking out. And if it doesn't fit quite right, you can just go in with a file and file down the sides to give it as close to a perfect fit as possible. And now it is time to glue the nails on. I just like to do a pretty thin layer of the glue on the top half of the nail, and then the key to really getting these nails to look very natural is to almost kind of push the nail as close into the cuticle as you possibly can to make it look like it is actually growing out of your finger, basically. This is just really going to help make the fake nail look almost indistinguishable from your actual nail and just make it look so perfectly natural and real. And really just take your time on this to make sure that all of your nails are as close to your cuticle as possible, as straight as possible. And I would also kind of press down on them for a few seconds after you glue them to really make sure that they are really pressed onto your nail. And then this is what they should look like. Next, I just like to quickly take my file and go in and just kind of very lightly file the edges of the nails to really kind of refine the shape and give it as perfect of an oval look as possible. And then once again, I just go in with a wet cotton pad and wipe down the dust, or you could just quickly go wash them. Next, it is finally time to paint these bad boys, and I am wearing OPI in the shade Stay Neutral. I love this color. It's kind of like a mauvey gray. And I find when you do these fake nails, there's really no need for a base coat, so I just like to go directly in with your actual color just to save time, and I usually do 2 coats of that before I go in with a top coat. And voila, you are officially done with your nails and they are looking fabulous. Okay, well that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have absolutely any questions at all, please feel free to just leave me a comment in the comments below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you liked me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.